Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best eyeshadow brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Real Techniques Eye Shade and Blend Makeup Brush Trio. The Real Techniques Eye Brush Trio is a must-have for achieving a flawless makeup look. This trio includes a base shadow brush, a deluxe crease brush, and an angled brow plus spoolie brush. The base shadow brush makes applying eyeshadow a breeze, while the deluxe crease brush helps you create a perfectly blended look. The angled brow plus spoolie brush is ideal for shaping and grooming your brows. These brushes are best used with cream or powder eyeshadow and have ultra plush synthetic bristles that provide a soft and comfortable application. The extended aluminum ferrules are lightweight and color-coded for easy identification. Plus, they are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. Cleaning these brushes is a breeze with the Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Gel or Spray. With the Real Techniques Eye Brush Trio, you can achieve a long-lasting, defined makeup look with ease. At number 4, we have the Akstore Disposable Eyeshadow Sponge Applicator Brushes. Akstore Disposable Eyeshadow Sponge Applicator Brushes are perfect for applying eyeshadow with ease and precision. The oval tips are made of soft latex sponge, ensuring a comfortable touch while applying makeup. The sturdy wand and secure applicator heads prevent the heads from coming off during use. With dual-sided brushes, you can easily apply different eyeshadow colors without mixing them. These brushes are soft, lightweight, and suitable for various eyeshadow designs, from natural to dramatic. They are also easy to use and carry, making them ideal for business trips, holidays, parties, and daily use. Overall, Akstore Disposable Eyeshadow Sponge Applicator Brushes provide a convenient and hygienic solution for flawless eyeshadow application. At number 3, we have the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Brush. The Wet n Wild Eye Brush is a great tool for precise eye makeup application. Its short, flat, slightly stiff pony hair bristles are perfect for adding definition around the eyes. The rounded head can be used to apply powder eyeshadow as eyeliner, giving you more versatility in your makeup routine. The brush's ergonomic handle allows for total control, making it easier to create the perfect look. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a pro, this brush is a must-have in your collection. At number 2, we have the Cuttte 120 PCS Disposable Dual Sides Eyeshadow Sponge Applicators. Cuttte 120 PCS Disposable Dual Sides Eyeshadow Sponge Applicators with Container is a great assortment of makeup applicators for eye makeup, face painting, and nail chrome powder application. It comes with 120 pieces eyeshadow applicators, enough to use for different purpose. The sponge is firm enough to apply your shadow well, but not so hard that it doesn't mold to the contour of your eyelid. It also has dual-sided eyeshadow brushes with 2 different colors each side and a nice little plastic reusable container for storing them in and keeping them organized. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wild n Wild Eye Crease Brush. The Wet n Wild Crease Brush is designed to enhance your eyeshadow application. Its tapered shape allows you to effortlessly pick up product and apply it precisely to your eye crease, ensuring a smooth blend every time. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to maneuver, even in hard-to-reach areas, giving you control as you perfect your look. With its soft bristles, you can achieve an even application, whether you're using mineral, baked powder, or cream products. This versatile brush is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their makeup routine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!